In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Python code in Google Colab. So the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to go to File, top left, and you want to do a new notebook in Drive in case you don't have one open already. And once you've done that, you should be able to see this block, which is going to say Start Coding or Generate with AI. Now, of course, you could generate with AI, or you can just start coding Python right away. Now, if you don't see this block, you can just go ahead and click on this plus code over here in the middle of your screen, and it's going to pop up. Now in here is basically where you should paste in or type in your Python code. So if I go in here, I click here and I paste in some random code which I generated over here, what this is going to do, it's just some random data analysis. You can then actually run this Python code very simply by just either clicking on this plus or this play button over here at the very top left of your code, or clicking the run all button at the top. So if I click this, for example, it's going to start processing and it's going to run this code, and as you can see, these are the results down here at the bottom. Now, of course, if I now delete this, for example, and open up a new code and I paste it in again, I click on the run all, it's going to run all this code, and again, the results are pretty much the same. So this is how you run Python code in Google Colab. It's very simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.